Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and Miss Cali Cat is on the bed back here sleeping like cats normally do. Now I have my second IPSY beauty bag for this month. IPSY is a makeup and beauty subscription. Let me pull up all my information so I can get it all right for you. So there's three different ways you can do it. You have to get the base or the plus bag. And then on top of one of those, if you want to, you can get the X, which replaces whichever one of those you have every 3 months, which is 4 times a year. So the base bag, the IPSY Glam Bag, you get 5 beauty products. It can range from sample size to full size for $13 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee. You get to pick one of those 5 products. The Glam Bag Plus, you get 5 full-size products every month for $28 plus that $1.99 handling fee. You get to pick 3 of the 5 products. That Glam Bag X that I was talking about would replace one of those 2 bags every 3 months, which is 4 times a year. You get 7 to 8 products. It's curated by a celebrity of their choice. It's normally worth about $350, but you would pay $58 plus that $1.99 handling fee. You get to choose 3 of those products. Also, you get access to IPSY's stores, their sales. You get good discounts on these products. Right now, we're just going to open this up. By the way, if you're curious about IPSY, if you want to try it out, I do have a link below. It's a referral link, so thank you so very much if you use my link. Now we're going to open this up. So here is this month's bag. I have 2 of them now because I just opened one. Yeah, but look, isn't it cute? This holographic kind of, it's really cool. I like the coloring. It brings me back to the 80s when all this stuff was so very popular. Get all this out. I do have a few repeat products. I can tell you that right now. This is September 2022. Oh, I actually have the products listed in here. On the last one I didn't. I have to look them all up. So my pick for this bag was this little bitty avocado ceramide recovery serum from Glow Recipe. I'm a big Glow Recipe fan. I've got Glow Recipe sitting all over my vanity. Matter of fact, this is the avocado night mask. But this is their recovery serum. I haven't tried this one, so I was curious about it. Let's see what it says. This powerhouse serum is made with a blend of powerful plant-based ingredients, such as nutrient-rich avocado extract, strengthening ceramides, and calming allantoin, I don't know what that one is, and rice milk to help strengthen and recover irritated, compromised skin. Apply this when your skin needs some help. Tip: gently press a couple pumps onto your damp face and neck for best results. Yes, serums do absorb better if they're on a wet surface, so yeah, that's a good tip. This is the deluxe size sample. The full size of this product is $42. Okay, it is sealed. I'm gonna leave it sealed for right now, y'all, but we will be trying it soon. Okay, let's do duplicates. The Tatcha rice wash. I got this one in my other one, so I'm not going to open it either. This is every great skincare routine starts with a great cleanser, and this one contains powerhouse ingredients that'll revitalize your skin and wash the imperfections away. Tip: apply a small amount of the powder into your hand and drizzle a few drops of water to emulsify. Gently cleanse skin and rinse. I don't think it's a powder. I don't know why they said that. I've used it before. It's not a powder. All right, this is the deluxe sample. Of full size of this product is $35. Put that out of the way. I also got one of these. It is a spongy. show you the one I opened. So this is the Flirtatious Looks. Look at this. Can y'all see the flirtatious look on that thing? Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics Quick Beat Beauty Sponge. Blend makeup flawlessly with this teardrop shaped beauty sponge. Evenly spread and apply your foundation and other complexion products to create the perfect base for your makeup look. Use with a powder for an airbrushed like finish. This is a full size and it's worth $15. I also got one of these. So funny, y'all. I got this in the last IPSY, and I got the same product in the moisturizer. This is a body butter. This is the HEMPZ Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Butter. I got this one in the Walmart Beauty Box, and I got one of these in each of my IPSY boxes. So yeah, I think that's so funny. But you know me, I love lotions and potions. I love body butters. It will definitely get used. Slather your skin with this luxurious butter that uses 100% pure hemp seed oil and more plant-based ingredients to keep your skin hydrated and soft without feeling greasy. Tip: apply this creamy body butter right after showering to lock in maximum moisture. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP for a full-size version is $19. So, did I go over everything but this one? Yes. Okay. So this is my last thing. This is the BELLÁPIERRE Cosmetics Pressed Banana Setting Powder in Light. Say hello to the least powdery face powder ever. The lightweight luminizing formula goes on smoothly, and the yellow tone of this color correcting powder helps minimize the look of dark circles and redness without having to pile on a ton of makeup. Apply a light layer and allow it to set for a minute before brushing the excess away. So it's telling you to bake. That's the tip. MSRP, this is a full-size product and it is $25. So let's look at it. This is the full size. Does anybody always expect it to smell like banana? I mean, maybe. I don't know. It is very finely milled powder. I don't know. It brightens. I'll give it that. I know I'm looking rough for wear right now, y'all. And yeah, I should be using some sort of brush to do this. But hey, I'm lazy. What do we think? I don't know. I'll play with it. We'll see. So I got the powder, I got the body butter, the sponge, the Tatcha wash. I'm affiliated with Tatcha, so if you want to go and buy this, I do have an affiliate link below. I love Tatcha. The Glow Recipe, I love Glow Recipe. Wish I was affiliated with them. And I got, let me set some stuff down. I'm dropping things. Of course, the bag to go with it. So what do y'all think? Do you like this IPSY? I got a lot of duplicates in my 2 bags, but I'm not mad at any of it because I will use it all. So I'm excited. I just want to hear y'all's opinions below. Y'all, please subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free and I really appreciate it. Please share with your friends. Please give us a thumbs up and press the notification bell. And if you want to tip the creator, there's 2 different ways to do that. You can use the super thanks, which is through YouTube, or you can click the link below. It says buy me a cup of coffee and you can buy me a cup of coffee. So thanks so very much for spending time with me. I hope you have a wonderful day and God bless.